Oh, hello, great people. African traveler here again, and today I'm gonna take you guys to Kitusuru, and later on I'll take you guys to Kabete, which is mainly Lower Kabete. So these two areas are very close to each other, and so let me just start. So Kitusuru is an affluent residential suburb of Nairobi, and located about 9.5 kilometers northwest of the Nairobi Business District. So the name Kitusuru came from the nearby river, a river called River Kitisuru, which was borrowed from the original inhabitants of the area, the Kikuyu people. So I hope you know now, and if you didn't know, now you know. So let's hit the road, and I hope you guys will enjoy as we journey, and later on I will take you guys to Lower Kabete, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. So guys, we are heading now to Lower Kabete. So Lower Kabete and Kitusuru is actually, I would say, one and the same. So they're very close to each other, about almost the same area. They just border each other. And some part of Lower Kabete is in Nairobi and the Westlands district, same as Kitusuru, and the other part is in Kiambu County. So the area is really nice, really green. Just love the nature around this place. Very green, very nice. And I hope you guys will enjoy. So, guys, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you get to see. Thank you, guys. Have a good time. Thank you.
I know you told your friend Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.